Hey everyone, welcome to my new influencer kitchen because today I'm going to be making something extra fancy. Actually, that's not really my kitchen, this is my kitchen. But for some perfect prime rib, I'm showing you how to do it using the 500 method. I have some Wagyu prime rib here, and as you can see, it's a 14-pound roast. Cost me about $350, so there's a lot riding on this one. Getting this ready for Christmas dinner. I have about 22 people coming over. It's way too big for one roasting pan, so I split it up into two 7-pound roasts. And then here I cut off a little test piece to season up and try in the air fryer. I know that's sacrilegious, but I just want to see what it tastes like with the new rub. Dry off your roasts. I tested out my test piece. Tasted really good, so I know this prime rub from Traeger is going to do the job. Usually I just do a salt, sugar, pepper, garlic rub, but I want to do something a little fancier for my guests. And was this worth it? I think so, because this was probably the best prime rib I've ever had, and I've had a lot working at a meat shop for 15 years on and off. I put it in the refrigerator overnight. I took it out 2 hours before I preheated the oven to 500, so I got it to room temperature. And I put them in there just side by side in their own roasting pans. Here's the measurements I used. I did mine medium, so I did 6 minutes per. As I pull them out, you can see just the fat caps got a little dark, a little burnt, if you will. But after I trimmed it down, everything was perfect then. It was medium well on the ends, and I got to medium rare on the inside, so everybody could pick the piece that they wanted. But these Wagyu, yeah, no kidding. This was so good, like blew my socks off. Like people are still texting me, asking me where I got the prime rib and what kind it was and what seasoning I used. So it turned out really well. The 500 method works. A lot of smoke was billowing out of there at first, so I wasn't really sure what I was getting into, but trust in the process. It really turns out well. You don't need a fancy kitchen. You just need an oven that goes to 500, and then it'll taste like you're in an influencer's kitchen, right? We all can't do it. There we go. Final product. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.